doing? Hey guys, how you doing? There's a lot of cars around. Uh, I don't know if I'm going to do daily vlogs yet, or just, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I haven't heard yet. See how it goes. If you can't tell, it's all gloomy today. It's been raining. It's in the water. The boat is. Anyway, I hope you do. Anyway, that's it anyway. Anyway, I just want to let you know that. And this probably will be not be very much of a vlog. But I hope to see you tomorrow, Wednesday. Let's see how it goes. And I'm about to do it because I just found some rain coming down. Oh, Lord Jesus, help me. I get my umbrella out and try not to get wet. I'm trying not to get to the phone wet. So, until I see you again, I have the best life. And toodles! Bye!